This discoloration is known as lichen, and it is a combination between algae and fungus living in a symbiotic relationship. Now, are you all ready? Unfortunately, though, last I heard, their relationship was on the rocks. That's all right. Count on the downhill side of the train for